Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating utilities. Shut the water and turn off power to any nearby circuits so you can work safely. Remove the faucet trim, drain assembly, and any overflow hardware. Keep fasteners in a labeled container. Once those come off, score and cut the caulk line and grout about 1/2 inch from the tub edge so the tub flange separates from the wall. Use a utility knife and oscillating tool for this first controlled separation so the wall stays intact. Now you tackle the tub body. Find and remove any visible screws, clips, or fasteners at the flange and where it meets framing. Once fasteners are out, brace the tub and begin cutting it into sections with a reciprocating saw fitted with a metal blade. Make relief cuts from the interior out toward the drain so metal doesn't spring. Pause frequently to check for hidden pipes or electrical lines. When sections are free, pry up nails and screws from the subfloor and framing to clear the footprint completely. Finish by hauling out metal pieces and sweeping the area, then inspect studs, subfloor, and plumbing for rot or damage so you know what to repair before installing new fixtures. Cap or reroute exposed supply and drain lines as required. Make sure plumbing is accessible and secure. If the tub resists removal, stop, then look for missed fasteners, hidden clips, or adhesive spots and make additional cuts as needed. This prevents sudden metal snaps and protects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.